Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood, interiors and all that kind of stuff. So feel free to subscribe. I also love shopping hauls and this video is going to be a shopping haul with a little difference because I'm excited to say this video is in collaboration with CHERRYZ. CHERRYZ have kindly gifted me a £30 voucher to purchase items from the CHERRYZ app online. And my delivery arrived a few days ago. It's come in this big box here. So I can't actually wait to show you what I've got in this box because I can't remember what I even ordered. I can remember some of it, but not all of it. So it's going to be quite an interesting haul. If you're not familiar with CHERRYZ, CHERRYZ is like all the budget stores under one umbrella. So they do cleaning products, they do a little bit of food items, they do Halloween items, Christmas items, you name it, they've got it. But you're actually ordering online through the app and you're getting it delivered right to your door. And with this whole COVID situation that we're all going through at the moment, CHERRYZ is a great option if you can't leave the house, or you just don't want to leave the house, you just want to order online and get the items delivered to your door. Also, I have a discount code for you which gives you 20% off your first order when you order through the app on CHERRYZ, and it's amandaoakince. So take advantage of that, guys. 20%, wow, 20% off your first order using the CHERRYZ app. So you pop that in at the checkout and you'll get your 20% off your first order. Okay, so don't worry too much about remembering everything right now. I'm going to put all the information in the description box below so you can actually go ahead and look at that after you've watched this video, because I can't wait to actually show you. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm opening the box now. Ooh, yes, lots of goodies in there, lots and lots of goodies. Oh my goodness. Like I said to you before, this video is in collaboration with CHERRYZ and they're an amazing company. I just found them so easy to deal with. You know, I'm so grateful for the collab as well. And the fact that they're giving all my viewers the 20% discount on their first order is absolutely amazing. Let me stop waffling on and show you what I've got. I'm sure you're all waiting to see. Now, I haven't got them in no particular order because I've literally just opened the box. Okay, I'm seeing right now my first item that's come to my hand is this Astonish window and glass cleaner. I absolutely love Astonish cleaning products. They're vegan friendly. They're made in the UK as well. They've got the little UK flag just there. And they're just amazing value. Now these came in at, I think these were £1.50 or £1. This is 750ml of window and glass cleaner, so I got that. CHERRYZ also have amazing prices, I forgot to mention that. Also picked up some oven and cookware cleaner, not just for cookware or ovenware, but you can use it also on metal. I use it on our shower curtain pole in the bathroom. I use it around the taps. I use it on anything that becomes rusty. I've actually got a mirror that used to be in our ensuite, but it's still like a nice mirror that has gone a little bit rusty, so I'm going to use this on there. So that's why I got this. There's a few cleaning products. I know I said in a few videos before that I wasn't going to be getting any more cleaning products, but I did actually run out of the window cleaner from Astonish and I thought I'd just have to get it, you know. Also, you know, Christmas is coming, you know, we've all done spring cleaning and autumn cleaning, you know, and there's going to be another batch of cleaning for Christmas as well, isn't there? So I picked up this elbow grease as well. This is really good. I use this on my extractor fan in the kitchen and anything that becomes sort of greasy and a bit stubborn to remove. So I use this on there. That's this is also solvent free, so I got that elbow grease as well. I also got this Astonish Oxy Active Plus fabric stain remover. Again, Astonish products. This stuff is absolutely amazing. You know, removes stubborn stains from clothes, and it's also the same concept Astonish product, all vegan friendly. So I got that as well. Oh, the next item is not a cleaning product, you'd be happy to know. They're not all cleaning products in this box, trust me. So I picked up this memo calendar with a wipe and clean board and a pen it comes with. So this bit here comes in handy to write your little notes on. And then you've got your month at a glance. And then this one's got this nice sort of tropical leaf design going around the edge here. And I did actually see something on Michelle's channel, Michelle Osgood. She had something very similar to this, which I have actually got as well. But I also saw this one, so I got that as well. This is what I saw on Michelle's channel. This is a family calendar, and I'm just going to open it and show you guys because when it said a family calendar, I've never come across a family calendar before, But basically what it is, you open it up and you've got the month doubling up here. You've got space at the top there to put your names at the top, and then you can write down, you know, for each person what they need to do for their month. Thought it was quite good. I'm probably going to put this one in my office and then have this one downstairs in the kitchen. So I've got both of those. So please do go onto the CHERRYZ app, download the CHERRYZ app. I'm going to put all the information in my description box below, because I can check the prices out as well. Okay, so next I picked up some of these Pom Bear crisps for little Oakley. He absolutely loves these. I always pick this up when we go shopping in the supermarket. So I saw it on the CHERRYZ app. I thought, yeah, why not get those, you know? They do have a whole variety. They've got food, they've got chocolate, they've got, you know, skincare products, cleaning products, you name it. You need to really go on the app and check it out. It's absolutely amazing. And you get that 20% off your first order. So, you know. Okay, so next up I picked up this advent calendar for Oakley. It's a Paw Patrol one. We've never really done the advent calendar thing. So for this year I said I'm definitely going to do it with him. So I got this. He's going to absolutely love that. Okay, so I also got this. It's New Age Oatmeal Soothing Bath Soak, and it's for all skin types. So I mean, I don't have sensitive skin, but I tend to like buy products that are sort of more natural. I thought I'd give this a try, and this says it's got 4 sachets inside. So just going to open it and show you guys. Yeah, you get 4 sachets like that. Each sachet holds 42 grams. It just feels like, you know, the Oak So Simple porridge, it feels like that, to be fair with you. But yeah, this is a bath soak, so very interesting, very interesting. It's fragrance free. It helps to soothe the skin as well. So I got that. Okay, also I picked up a box of these variety beanie flavoured coffee. You get 12 flavours of instant coffee sticks in this box. And I thought this will come in handy because I have actually got plans to make a small little coffee area, coffee station in my kitchen, and these are going to be perfect. So for example, you've got cookie dough, gingerbread, lovely, double chocolate, what's this one, very vanilla, what's this one here, coconut delight, oh my goodness, this one has to be, oh, Irish coffee, nutty hazelnut. Oh my goodness, 12 different flavours in there to get you going, you know. Oh, talking of which, I forgot my coffee over there. Let me go and grab my coffee. Yeah, sorry, I forgot my coffee just over there. You know when you make a coffee and then like you don't get time to drink it. I'm going to be sort of sipping this as I'm doing this haul, if you don't mind, because in here is a decaf Nescafe unsweetened cappuccino in my new cup as well. Love that. Okay, so next up, I had to get these. Now, I absolutely love Cadbury's Flake or Cadbury's Chocolate, and I also like the 12s. Now, you get 5 12s in a pack here for £1. Yeah, so I got those. I also got this set of 6 combs. I own 2 combs. I tend to keep one in my bag and one in my dressing table, but sometimes they go walkabout. So, you know, it's a pack of combs. So I got that as well. And there's also another box of those beanie flavoured coffees. I've got 2 boxes of those. Yankee Candle. So I saw this on there. I knew it was going to be this size, quite tiny, but it smells quite nice. It smells quite rosy because it is actually citrus rose scent. So this is why I thought I'd try this one, because I do actually like anything citrusy. So I thought citrus and rose together. Quite a nice combination. Interesting. Yep, so I've got that. Okay, some beauty products now. These Reviving Gold eye gel patches. So I've got those. And yeah, innovative hydro gel patches. Helps your eyes to feel revived and refreshed. Yes, I need that. You know, especially after like editing, you're sort of in your phone or on your laptop or, you know, on the computer. Tired eyes. So I need that around there sometimes. So I got this, and there's actually 6, you get 6 patches in there. I just opened it up here. So I thought, why not get those, you know, give those a try. I also picked up the eye gel patches in the activated charcoal ones. So that's the same concept. You also get 6 pairs in there. So they're like that. So you get 6 pairs of those in there. I also got this Radox 2-in-1 shower gel. This one has got bergamot and cedarwood. Body wash and a shampoo. Okay, that's even more better. And it's got long-lasting fragrance. I absolutely love bergamot, so that smells really nice. Really nice, actually. Yep, so I got that as well. Okay, so sticking with the skincare products, I also picked up this Spa Dead Sea Salt bath and shower gel. So I got that. This is 300 ml. Dead Sea Salt is very good for the skin, so I thought give that a try, you know. So I got that. Okay, so I also got this pack of handy wipes. So you get 4 packs and each pack holds 10 wipes. I think they've got different scents on them, I'm not sure. So I've got those anyway. I can put one of those in my handbag. I have one handy when we go to the park, so those are definitely going to come in handy. Okay, what else is there? Any more skincare? Oh yeah, another skincare product here. So I also picked up this Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair, and this is a fragrance-free one. And again, you know, we're coming into the winter months, so I tend to get sort of dry hands and dry skin. So I've got this, and it's clinical proven to heal very dry skin within 5 days. So got that, give that a try. It is actually just 200 ml. It's not the large one that you can actually get. It's a nice size to just have in your handbag as well, actually, or in your car, you know. Yep, so I got that. Okay, so next up there's some more cleaning products. So I've got this Colour and Dirt Collector by Dr. Beckman. I find that these are the best ones, to be fair with you. I've tried some of the other ones from some of the other budget stores, you know, but I find the Dr. Beckman ones are the best. So this is a box of 10 sheets. I'm familiar with these as well. I know my neighbour, she was quite surprised when I mentioned these Colour Collector laundry sheets to her, you know, but what they are, you can actually have a mixed laundry. You can mix your dark colours with your sort of lighter colours, pop one of these in, and this would actually catch the colour from running onto your other clothes. So it works a dream. I haven't tried putting in the red top with my best white shirt or anything like that, you know, but it does work for, like, you know, like if you're putting your bed sheets in and you've got like different colours, you can just pop this in and it will actually catch the colour, if you get what I mean. This is actually brilliant for saving energy when you're doing your wash load. Just put everything in, you know, mix colours, put one of these in and you're good to go. So I got those. I also picked up this Astonish Stain Remover Bar. I haven't actually tried the Astonish one before, but I have used the one by Vanish. The Vanish one works really well, so I thought I'd give this one a try, and I do love Astonish products, so I've got that. Couple of more items. Okay, so I picked up, this is a bit random, it's Nando's Peri Peri Bag and Bake, and it's lemon and herb extra mold. When I go to Nando's, or when I used to go to Nando's, you know, before the whole lockdown thing, I would always order my chicken lemon and herb. I absolutely love it. I'd order the lemon and herb, and I put extra sauce on it as well. So I saw this on the CHERRYZ site and I thought, yeah, definitely gonna get this. So this serves 4 people, so you can season up your chicken lovely with this lemon and herb. So I thought I'd give that a try. Okay, so I also got this Terry's orange chocolate. I absolutely love orange chocolate, you know. You know the Terry's original one comes in that round ball, and you've got the segments that you can actually take off. They're now doing it like this in a bar. Actually easier to carry around. I wanted to try and open it, but I'm not going to open it because I'll probably end up eating it all before I finish this haul. But yeah, that's what it is, and that's the Terry's orange chocolate bar. Lovely. There are some more cleaning products. Now these cleaning products was recommended to me by the lovely Toni Interiors. I absolutely love her channel. I love her motivational cleaning videos. She's absolutely amazing. So Toni swears by this Barkeeper's Friends product. This is the Power Spray Surface Cleaner. It's tough on grease and grime. Yeah, so I thought I'd get this because I haven't seen it in the supermarkets anywhere, and I know that she talks about it quite a lot in her videos, so I've got that. I also picked up the Barkeeper's Friends Stain Remover, and this is a multi-surface cleaner as well. So yeah, I thought I'd just give these a try, you know. Yeah, I'll put a link to her channel down below. So after you've watched my video and all the adverts, don't forget to watch the adverts. You can pop over and have a look at her channel. Yes, I also picked up this Valcal. This one's actually got the Febreze in it, so it kind of softens the scent a bit, if you get what I mean. Brilliant to use on your shower head, around your taps, on the shower hose, you know, again, anything metal or anything that's got loads of limescale on it. It is a limescale remover, so I've got that. Also picked up this Astonished Oh God, excuse me, I need to have a bit of my coffee because it's gone cold, but it's absolutely fun. I'm kind of used to cold coffee, you know. But yeah, I also got this Astonished cream cleaner. This is very similar to the Sif, and this one actually has bleach in it as well. So I thought I'd get this, give it a try. I have actually tried the lemon one to this from Astonished, but I haven't tried the one with the bleach in it. So this is going to be good to use around the shower. This one says it's for deep cleaning, tough soap scum and watermark. So I've got this as well. Okay, so I also picked up this. It's the elbow grease window cleaner. I know I picked up the Astonished one, but you can't have enough window cleaner, can you? So yes, I got this one as well. I've never tried this one before, but because it was on the site, and that's what I found on the CHERRYZ site. I've been through all the categories and there's so much to look through, and you do actually find some new interesting products as well. So I'm going to give this a try. It's the elbow grease glass cleaner with vinegar. Super shine, streak free. That's what you want when you're cleaning your big, like, you know, we've got patio doors downstairs, so I'm forever wiping them down, trying to keep them all nice and clean and streak free. That's the first thing you see when you come into the living room. So yeah, I thought I'd just give this a try. So I got that. Yeah, so this is the last item, and it's a little wooden sign for my downstairs cloakroom, and it's a typical toilet rules. So it's got, if you lift it up, put it down. If it runs out, replace it. It just says, gentlemen, stand closer. You may be shorter than you think. And then for ladies, it said, ladies, please remain seated for the whole performance. So I thought that was quite humorous to put inside my downstairs cloakroom. So I got that. And that's my last item. You know, that's my CHERRYZ haul. Like I said, they did kindly gift me £30 towards this order. I did actually, I think I spent just over £30. Remember, there is a discount code for you guys to go onto the CHERRYZ app. 20% discount only works through the app. You need to download the app onto your phone, and when you get to the checkout, you just put in amandaoakince. That will give you 20% off your first order using the CHERRYZ app. So you can see the variety of items that I've got. I actually came across CHERRYZ from watching a few videos on YouTube. And yeah, I just found, oh my goodness, so I love a bargain. And when I find a bargain, I like to tell the whole world about it, you know. And that's me, you know, I don't hold back. I say, yeah, do you know, I tried this, I tried that, you know. So yeah, so as you can see, all of these items are all from CHERRYZ. They've got so much more. They've got hundreds of items. Kids' toys. Oh, I forgot to show one item actually. Oh, little Oakley. Sorry. I forgot to show this other item that I got for Oakley. So I also got this colouring book. It's a Toy Story colouring book with pencil. You get a colouring pad and a mini colouring book, and you get 4 little colouring pencils there. Got that for little Oakley, so I forgot about that. So these are actually going to go into his Christmas box. If he sees them now, he's just going to want to have it and play with it. So I'm going to put these, all the bits that I've got for him, I'm going to put them away for Christmas. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really hope you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit the notification bell to be notified of when I post new videos. And I shall see you on my next video. So take care, keep well, bye.